Hello all, good evening. How have you all been? Today being a Wednesday, we'll talk about emeralds. Emeralds are also popularly called panna, and how beautiful they look, just like the Wednesday today. It's beautiful, isn't it? We're all trying and getting back to normal. So let's talk about the beautiful emeralds, which are also called as panna, and they are also called as Budh, since Wednesday is also called Budhwar in Hindi. The ruler of the gemstone emerald is Mercury, and what else can I tell you? It is got from the mines. Like I told you the other day on Monday, that rubies belong to the family. Yes, the gemstones do have families, and they belong to the family corundum. Similarly, the emeralds, they belong to the family beryl. It is the beryl family. So emeralds are vibrant, beautiful, all shades of green. They look lovely on man and women both. The good thing about the emerald is that it helps you in retaining money, and it is very good for the married life, in maintaining harmony and a very healthy relationship in your marriage life. These are two of the best qualities of emerald. Besides this, there are many qualities that we shall talk about during our session today. So let me show you some beautiful emerald pieces that I have here. So emeralds are available in ovals, cushions, emerald cut, rounds. So here I have some. This is one of the cushion cut. This is an emerald cut. And the clearer the stone, the more quality is better. So normally, emeralds are usually very good in quality when they are clearer. So we usually opt for a clear stone, as it looks more beautiful and it is of a very good quality. So one of the other good quality of emerald is that it helps boost your memory power. So it is many a time suggested for students who are aiming for some very good degrees, and it is also very good for scholars, as it has a very good quality to increase the efficiency of the wearer, the efficiency to memorize things, to remember things. The emeralds really help you a lot in that. So the other good quality that the wearer gets is it helps you enhance your creativity and intelligence. This is a smaller stone, but it is a very good quality emerald. You can see the crystal clearness of this emerald. We will keep focused on the stone for you to see the clear piece. It also helps in boosting the creativity and enhances the intelligence. So it is ideal for people in the fashion industry, painting, music, who are pursuing some good career as models, actors, directors. It helps you enhance your skills and your creativity. It boosts your creativity. You will find yourself way ahead amongst the others in your field once you are wearing a very good quality emerald. So it is highly recommended for people in such fields. It also helps you retain your money. Where there are people who usually feel that they are not able to retain money, like पैसा हाथ में ज़्यादा रहता नहीं है. So such people, for them, emeralds are very good. It helps you retain money. So that is another good quality of emerald, besides the other qualities. Besides, emeralds are worn on a Wednesday, since they belong to the Wednesday. Then if you are astrologically wearing it, they can be worn on different fingers, what is suggested by the astrologer. That astrologer aspect is totally different. Otherwise, if anybody wants to wear for the color or for the goodness or the qualities of emerald, you can wear it on any finger. You can wear it as earrings, as necklaces. but make sure you wear a very good quality emerald, because wearing an onyx or a fake is not going to give you that quality. Then it will just be called a color therapy, not the, you will not benefit by the actual goodness of this beryl family baby. So I have a very beautiful piece, just hang on here. That I will show you here. You can have a look at this beautiful piece. It is a very, very good quality one. It is a natural emerald, as the certificate says, and it is a 3.74 carat. 3.74 carat emerald. It's a Zambian emerald. So emeralds are very good when they are from Zambia, Brazil. There are various mines out there. This is another crystal clear piece. You can see how clear and how beautiful this piece is. These pieces, whatever of gemstones that I am showing you, they are all from our existing stock. So you can have a look at what all we have ready with us. These are our inventories, and you could contact us anytime for any of these pieces. All our pieces are certified. Talking about jewelry, which is really amazing. Beautiful jewelry can be created with emeralds. I have a few pieces to make our evening even more beautiful. Emeralds look lovely when they are combined with diamonds. So this is one of a ring which has been designed from emeralds. Drop shape emeralds are used here, and diamonds. This again is a drop, a very, very good quality emerald with diamonds. The diamonds used here are VVS quality, VVS EF. Most of our ready stock that we have is in VVS quality, and then we can make something on request of our client. This again is a very beautiful floral concept ring from rubies, from emeralds, and diamonds. I can just wear and show you. It's a beautiful floral ring. We also do customizing and designing, so we will be more than happy to get something designed for you. I have let me show you a very pretty bridal set. As I told you that emeralds are very good for maintaining harmony and pleasantness in your married life. So you know what, we make sure that we include emerald sets in the bridal trousseau. We do a lot of bridal trousseau. We also provide our jewelers pieces for the bridal trousseau of their clients. So whenever we are working on such projects, we make sure we include the bridal sets with emeralds, because emeralds have that quality in them. Here I have some earrings. Here this earring, as you can see, is made from ruby and emerald. This is a top, a earring, yes, just to which can be worn regularly. This again is a beautiful earring. Emeralds look wonderful with diamonds, as they complement the color and the features. This is a very beautiful, a delicate necklace set. This is the earring, and here you can see the necklace. The drop shape emeralds are used here along with diamonds. It's a white gold set. These again are beautiful emeralds. You can see they look like, as if it's a money plant. Very, very good quality emeralds are used in this set. You can see how clear it is. There are no inclusions in the emerald. Every piece is genuinely natural and real. And whenever we say real, we make sure that we give you certified set. This has been customized and designed from emeralds and white diamonds. VVS, this set is again VVS. VVS quality diamonds are used. And whatever jewelry you all are seeing, certificates for every set is ready. So yes, so we come to an end of today's session of emeralds. I hope it was quite informative and engaging, and I hope I'm coming online alive. I'm coming live. So I hope it is quite interesting. I am still waiting for some of your comments below. I'm more than glad. I'm happy and glad to receive some messages on messengers, and more than happy to answer a few questions also. Let's make it more interactive and keep in touch and stay connected. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you tomorrow again at 4 p.m. live with other 2 gemstones. Thank you. Goodbye.